Good morning, Anandal. Today we discuss in AC current, that is AC voltage applied to a resistor. Okay, AC voltage is applied to a resistor. If we take one AC voltage, that is AC symbol, that is AC voltage is connected to the resistor, that is AC voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t is connected to a resistor R. Okay, from this equation current is passing through the circuit. This direction, what is the voltage is AC voltage is applied, that is input voltage is applied, the current, so the voltage difference or voltage developed across the resistor is IR. Okay, the voltage is applied through a resistor, the voltage is developed or dropped across the resistor is IR. Okay, according to Kirchhoff law voltage, according to Kirchhoff voltage law, KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, the sum of the potential drop across the any closed loop is 0. That means sum of the let me see, sum of the voltage, that is voltage, sum of the respect to time is 0. Sum of the potential or voltage drop any closed loop is 0 according to Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, from this equation, that is input voltage, IR, that is input, output is total is 0. Total potential or voltage drop the any closed loop is 0. Okay, according to this equation, V is equal to IR. Okay, from this equation, what is the voltage, applied voltage? V is equal to Vm sin omega t is equal to IR. Okay, from this equation we can, what is the current value? Vm by R into sin omega t. This is the current relation. That means Vm by R is called maximum current. In previous chapter also we can it is discussed. That is maximum current is equal to Vm by R. That is I is equal to Im into sin omega t. There is a current relation, and also voltage relation. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is voltage relation, this is current relation. That means AC current is depends upon this principle is I is equal to Im by sin omega t, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. That is the voltage, AC current, AC voltage. This AC current in the previous chapter, that is AC generator. That is the principle of AC current. That is I is equal to Im sin omega t, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is the relation sinusoidal wave. Suppose we can draw the graph in between voltage and current with respect to time. Okay, we can draw the graph, that is voltage, this is voltage, this is voltage graph. Next, current, this is for current graph. Okay, this phase is, that is 5, 2 pi, that is 0. Okay, it is with respect to omega t. it is voltage and current, and that is okay, it is Vm, maximum voltage, that is Vm, that is Im. Okay, these what the according to formulas, I is equal to Im sin omega t, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is sine wave for current and voltage. What is the relation between current and relation? Im is equal to Vm by R. Vm is equal to Im into R. From this equation, okay, the phase is same, only changing the amplitude. That means amplitude of the voltage is higher. Vm amplitude is higher than Im. That means only changing the amplitude. From this relation, only I is equal to Im sin omega t, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Sine wave for current and voltage is same. That means same phase, voltage and current traveling in same phase with respect to time, but changing the amplitude. That means the amplitude of the voltage is higher. This is Vm at 90 degrees. Sin 90, what is the value of sin 90? 1. Okay, at 90 degrees we get maximum voltage. The amplitude of the voltage is higher compared to maximum current, or amplitude of the current is lesser than voltage. From this equation, or from the graph, or what is the relation? Im is equal to Vm by, suppose Im is equal to 0.5. what is the Vm? Vm is equal to 0.5. Suppose R is equal to 2 into 2. What is the value? 1. That means Vm is equal to 1, Im is equal to 0.5. That is higher. The amplitude of the voltage is higher than current at constant resistance. That is, at constant resistance, the voltage is applied through a resistor. The amplitude of the voltage is higher than amplitude of the current. The relation between the current and Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, A is equal to V by R. From this graph, you can sinusoidal wave equation. Sinusoidal means I is equal to Im sin omega t, V is equal to V sin omega t. Draw the graph between the current and voltage with respect to time or rotation, omega t rotation. In the previous chapter, the AC generator, the rotation of the angle for every cycle, for one cycle, the polarity will be changes. The current of the polarity will be changes, one positive or negative. That means like this or like this. The average current will be 0. That means like this. It is positive cycle, that is negative cycle, that will be cancelled. But that is theoretical current. I average is 0, that is theoretical. Positive cycle, negative cycle will be cancelled. Okay, the I average is 0. It is theoretical, but experimental will proved in the theoretical proved last lecture. That is I average, P average. What is the IRMS, VRMS? Discussed in the previous chapter, previous lecture. Okay, I average is 0, but P average is not 0. That means it is depends upon what is the relation. Power is equal to I square R. That means power is equal to I square R. According to I average is 0, but power average is not is equal to 0. It is stored according to Joule heating formula. The power is dissipated in electrical energy when the AC voltage is passes through the resistor. The power is dissipated. Power is not equal to 0. The I average, the current average is 0, but power is not 0. Current is passing through the a resistor, or voltage is passes through the resistor. That is, instantaneous power is dissipated in the resistor. That is, P is equal to I square R. That is, the power is equal to I square, means I is equal to, what is the formula? I is equal to Im sin omega t. That means Im square sin square omega t into R. Okay, you can that is, you can take average on both sides. P average, that is Im square R sin square omega t. Take average. Okay, take average. Okay, this function will be changes. Sine wave will be from the graph, only changing the voltage, current will be same. Okay, but only changing the phase or omega with respect to omega. It is a function will be changes. From this equation, what is the average value of sin omega t? That is yesterday in the previous lecture, that is of the average power is equal to I square Im square into R into 1 by T. Okay, from this equation, Im written as Im into R by 2. It can be written as Im by root 2. That is Im into R, that is Vm by root 2. Root 2 can be written as root 2, that is 2. Okay, root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Im into R is Vm. From this relation, okay, Im is equal to Vm is equal to Im into R. Im into R is equal to Vm. Okay, that is average power. That is Im by root 2. Maximum peak by root 2 is called IRMS, and that is VRMS. That is Im. That is, from this relation, power is equal to, okay, from IRMS is equal to I, VRMS is equal to V. That is, power is equal to V into I. Okay, this obey law of Ohm's law. This obey Ohm's law. Okay, from the equation, from this equation, power is equal to V into I, or P is equal to I square R into I V into, suppose I square means V square by R. That means, from the relation, P is equal to I square and I into R. Okay, what is I value? V by R. Sorry, I square means I square into V square by R square into R. R cancel. That means V square by R. That is, power relation between P is equal to I square R, or V into I, or V square by R. This is the relation between the current and voltage, power or resistance. Okay, power is equal to I square R, or V into I, or V square by R. This is the power and relation. Okay, you can draw the relation between the AC current, IRMS into I, or maximum current Im. That is in previous chapter discussed first, and also we will discuss today. that is Im, that is I, that is the relation. This is Im minus, it is it is positive, this is negative Im, that is Im is Im by root 2 is equal to I RMS, that is I is equal to I RMS is equal to into 0.707. That is the relation between the IRMS and maximum current or peak current. IRMS or IM, sorry, that is not correct. I is equal to IRMS is equal to maximum current into 0.707, that is Im by root 2. I is equal to, or IRMS is equal to, is the relation between the maximum current and average IRMS current is from the graph. Okay, we can discuss AC current phase diagram in between AC voltage and AC current. We discuss, that is phasor, that is a vector. Phasor is a vector. Suppose according to formula, P is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t, that is voltage, AC voltage, AC current. These are in same phase, these are traveling in the same phase, that is phase difference between current and voltage is 0, but the amplitude is different. Okay, phase difference is 0 between current and voltage, but amplitude is different. The amplitude of the voltage is higher than current. Okay, we can prove the phasor with respect to time. This is voltage graph. This dashed dots are current, that is for current, this is voltage. Okay, according to current relation, draw the graph. That is voltage, maximum voltage Vm is maximum voltage, that is maximum current. Okay, current and voltage is traveling in the same phase with angle omega t1. This is rotating. Current and voltage traveling in the same phase, but with respect to omega t1, the vector component of current, maximum current, that is maximum current, the vector component is I is equal to Im sin omega t. From this relation, two components from this relation, that is theta, it is vector component, that is vector component is equal to I, it is sin omega t, that is that is vertical, sin, it is horizontal is cos, it is cos theta, it is sin theta, it is vertical, it is horizontal. It is vertical component of current is I is equal to Im sin omega t. From this vertical component of current is I is equal to Im sin omega t. This angle is omega t. In the case of voltage, this component of voltage, vertical voltage, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. That is phase diagram. Phasor in between current and voltage, the magnitude of phasor with respect to voltage and current, current and voltage with respect to time, omega time rotation. Okay, that is, it is can rotate in the circular with respect to 360 degrees. Theta is equal to 360 degrees rotation. That is 90 degrees. It is 180 pi. That is 2 pi. Total circle, one complete circle. What is the maximum? What is the current? What is the voltage? That is phase diagram for the voltage and current relation. That is this is the component vertical component of current is Vi is equal to Im sin omega t. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is for resistor. A resistor is connected to the AC voltage diagram for phasor diagram in between current, voltage and current relation with changing of the rotation or omega. There is a relation. Okay, we solve the one problem is there. We can solve the one problem that is 10.1. That is page number 376. One problem is there, that is the light bulb rated power is equal to 100 watts for 200 volts. That is V is equal to 200 volts V for the source. And find the first A is find the resistance of bulb, R is equal to watt. Next B, peak value. Next peak voltage or Vm of source. Next C, RMS current, RMS current, that is Im, IRMS through the bulb. Okay, what is the power is given, voltage is given, find the resistance through the circuit, the peak value, that is Vm, maximum voltage of the source, and current, RMS value of current through the bulb. We can find the first formula according to relation, power relation from the equation once. P is equal to I square R, or V into I, or V square by R. This is a relation, power and current and voltage relation or resistance relation. P is equal to I square R, V into I, V square by R. Okay, you know power and voltage, find the resistance. R is equal to V square by P. What is the voltage? 220 volts. 220 square by, what is the power? 100 watts. 100. That means 220 into 220 by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 20 ja watt. 484. What is the units of resistance? Ohms. 480 ohms are resistance will be passed through the circuit. The resistance of the circuit is 484 ohms. Okay, next, what is the peak value, peak voltage, that is Vm. What is equal to, what is the Vm? What is the formula? Vm is equal to what is the relation? V is equal to Vm by root 2. This is the relation. Vrms is equal to V into Vm by root 2 relation. Okay, what is the Vm? Vm is equal to V into root 2. That is V value. What is the V value? 220. 220 into root 2, 1.414. We get 311. What is the units of voltage? Volts. Okay, 311 volts. Okay, this V maximum voltage is passed through the source is 311 volts. Next, what is the next? C is equal IRMS. IRMS, that is equal to I is equal to watt. What is the relation? Power is equal to I into V. Okay, you know power and voltage, find the current. I is equal to P by V. What is the power? 100 watts by power is voltage is 220. 0 cancel. That is 10 by 22. Okay, we can take 22 to 1 ja, that is 0 point. Next, 4 ja 88. 22 to 4 ja 88. Remaining 88 to 20 and 5 ja. So that means 0.45 amperes or 450 amperes. This is the problem. Thank you. 1 and all.